BookCon 2019. I just got here, so I'm pretty much gonna dive in. The goal is to network, meet people, and get a few books. I am not getting a lot of books. I bought one little small bag, and that's, if it doesn't fit in there, it's not going home. That's how I'm gonna do it. Let's see if my plan works. But yeah, I'm here, and if you've never been here before, it does get a little crazy because there's a lot of people here and there's a lot of things to get into. So I have quite a few hours because it's still early, so we'll see how that works out for me. So yeah.
May God bless you. Hi, honey.
Hey.
How are you?
Y'all there?
I tell you would have never pass without me.
Mr. the Flag.
You have missing flag. I'm a Jamaican, I tell you. It's a must.
That's right.
You can't pass without me.
Yes.
I
Told you I was gonna find one.
It's a must. So I'm a Jamaican.
Yes.
My father died in 1973.
All right.
In a truck and train accident in Spanish Town, coming from Manchester. 7 of us died, so we are fatherless, motherless, and orphans. And so, this is a story about my story about what happened to me when the government used their train in Jamaica to kill my daddy and promised me a whole lot and left my mom to suffer with 9 of us. This is my story.
Yeah.
But at the same time, tears might be coming to my eyes, but I am grateful because here it is. I'm a fatherless immigrant child. I live by the Bible. I am a Jamaican. I lived in Canada for a while. I am a citizen of the United States of America. And I'm married to the best doctor there is in the USA.
All right, now.
So this is my story.
That's fine.
I'm loving it. And I need one.
Get my banner.
Yes.
What's your blog?
It's Comfy Cozy Up. So I have a YouTube and I have a blog. Yes.
Exchange subscribers.
Look at her.
Beautiful.
All right.
Look at those pretty people.
Oh, yes, I do. Hey guys, look what I have.
Hi.
Channel name. Channel name.
Marines from My Name is Marines. Sam from Thoughts on Tomes.
And Paige from Minimal Bookie.
Guys, it was so nice talking to them. And they're just as nice in person. So, yeah. PETA.
PETA. You having a good day?
Yeah, so far.
And if you do, this book's actually being adapted to film.
Ooh.
Yeah, so all the updates are
All
online
right,
and
thank
everything.
you.
Very excited.
All right.
Love it. Very nice. Very nice.
I can try and get backwards.
Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Oh, so cool.
So guys, when you don't get a ticket for autograph, but then you see the author walk in, you go up to them. So insert a picture and show you what really happened a minute ago. But I was the first to do it, and all of a sudden all the other people saw what I did and stopping the poor author. But I had to get it in. So yeah. Hey.
So you Peter?
Yes. Say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hey, hi. Happy BookCon. Awesome. To Peter.
Yes.
Awesome. Here we go.
All right. I love that. Good idea.
Yeah. All right, airdrop.
All right. So this one is for me. Okay. I want to read that. Yeah.
Being here. I think this certainly feels like a kickoff to summer reading season for us, and I hope it does for you guys too. I just wanted to let you know a couple of things. So we have awesome swag bags for you guys to help carry around all the books that you're grabbing at BookCon here this weekend. So please take one of those before you go. They're over here by the photo op. Also, we would love to check out and share all the photos that you're taking of our displays. We have a lot of fun putting them together. There's a little sign on every table that has our various imprints, social media handles on them. So please use that. We'd love to check out and share your beautiful photos. And last but not least, we've got books on all these tables. Every group is maybe a little bit different. So if you see something you'd like to take home with you, just ask one of our staff. Most of us have a penguin house bag like this.
I got two.
And we'll talk about being able to give those away.
Oh, okay. That's all two. So we got a swag bag. With some goodies. Good goodies. Yep.
I got.
Oh yeah. Oh, everybody has. Oh, I had that one too. So we all got the same thing, pretty much. So.
I got a blue one too. I'm wondering if that one.
So we were at Penguin Ice Cream. So actually, we're still at Penguin Ice Cream Social, and I'm with
Around the Way Books, aka Afonso. I got one ice cream that I cannot finish, but it was really good.
and you know I'm on that keto line, so I had I had peanuts. So we are just basically waiting for, huh? Yeah, yeah, that's all I had with peanuts. There's nothing else I can have. Yeah, well, it's carbs because it's in the corn.
The way that it
Yeah, yeah. So, yeah, and then pretty much all the booktubers are in here. All the major ones that you know are all in here. You know, they all up there in the back.
Having a good weekend so far. Mostly panels or mostly?
Then we got Book Girl Magic over here. Hey, and who we have over here?
Scorpion Pages. Not on BookTube.
So we're having a good time, and yeah, good experience. So hey guys, look who I got here.
Hello.
Bow Ties and Books.
Hi, I'm Jessie from Bow Ties and Books. I just wanted to say hello to all of you and thank you for watching this beautiful, wonderful channel. Who is amazing, and I'm so glad that I finally got to meet her.
Yeah, so we're bonding over a little bit of Jane Bowman over here.
Yes, yes. I need to read some Baldwin that I will enjoy.
We'll stream the car.
Which is good because I hold the rest of the So just Giovanni's room was not good.
Yeah, I have a list of them. I haven't read them all yet, but the goal is to eventually read some more. Yeah.
We should do like a buddy read.
We should. That would be fun. Yeah, and also The blackathon was good.
Ooh,
Yeah.
thank you. I'm glad
You know,
you
she
mentioned it.
came up with the blackathon, and you know, it was good.
I'm glad.
And that's how I ended up reading. What was that? Poetic X.
Oh, the poet by
yes.
Elizabeth Acevedo.
And I loved it.
She's gonna be signing books tomorrow too.
Yeah, it was a 5-star review. I really loved it. So,
Yeah, it was a good. It was
yeah.
great work. It was a great work. I know. I'm Lil.
She's so tiny. Oh, but he's so cute. Oh, look at you. Yeah, guys. So we had the meet and greet, and you know, get to meet some other YouTubers. So yeah.
It took about 2 months, but I did all by myself.
Yeah, I know. I have my camera on, so.
Yeah, I put up a vlog. It ended up being 45 minutes long because
I watched the entire thing.
thank you. I didn't.
I did. Because I was like, oh, that's a dream right there.
Yeah,
That's the
I don't
library.
think my own mother watched the whole thing.
Yeah, I watched the
Love you,
entire
Mom.
thing.
But yeah, it was like 14 hours of footage cut down to 45 minutes. Don't know how, but I did it. We moved. So I finally had a whole floor for my library. Because we have a 4-level side split, so I get a library, he gets a man cave. Yeah, it's great.
Yeah.
People.
Yeah,
So yeah,
no.
I built the whole thing, I painted everything. Fit 16 bookshelves in there.
I know, right? That's how many books she has.
And there's a fireplace. And I'm putting a rolling ladder. I'm gonna put a rolling ladder.
Okay, hold on. What is your book team name, by the way?
Your book here, Zoe. My husband has the matching shirt on, but he's not here right now. It says return to your book nerd Zoe applause. He's out in the world right now. But it's you're a book nerd Zoe. Like you're a wizard hand.
Okay, got it.
Y-E-R.
Yeah. Yeah, I love that. I saw that video. I was like, oh, I'm sitting here. I sat there and watched the whole thing.
And then I put up a bookshelf tour later that week.
Yeah. You did the tour, the bookshelf
The
tour.
whole bookshelf tour. It's
Yeah.
almost an hour long.
Yeah. I like stuff like that.
Thank you.
Yeah. Because it's like my dream is to have my own library one day, you know.
I support that. I hope you get it. I finally got it, and it's been a lifelong dream. Like other girls plan their wedding, I plan my library. So it's been a dream.
Yeah.
But I hope you get it. I hope everyone gets the library.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I know, right?
Work it.
Yeah. The second book.
She's so lovely. She's so lovely.
So hey guys, that's the end of the vlog. I am exhausted. I'm heading back home. I have all the goodies. I have some good books. I can't wait to share it with you guys. I'm definitely gonna do it in my next video. I'm gonna basically talk about what I got. There's some good arcs, guys, some good arcs. The experience is great. I love meeting all the books of grammar, and I definitely feel like this is an experience I'm never gonna forget. And of course, you know, my favorite girl over here. So I am, gotta say, this is good. This is good, guys. Bye.